Hi, I'm Jack Robertson, and I'm a field tech for True Roofers. My position, day to day, I pretty much load jobs, tow trailers, and assist the guys on installs. I've been with True now 4 years. Obviously, we all make a paycheck, but at the same time, it's a family-oriented place, and there's no other company like it. I'm originally from Erie, Pennsylvania. I moved here about 5 years now. On my spare time, I love spending time with my wife, my 2 dogs, and love fishing. For the last 4 years, I've learned how to install metal roofs, shingles, and pretty much doing it from the start to the finished product. My goal with True is definitely to keep progressing and one day be a field manager or some higher up. In my opinion, True is the most trusted company because we not only take care of the problem, we're also there alongside from start to finish. I'm Jack, and I'm your True Roofer.